how do you make yourself irreplaceable when it seems that AI can do just about anything and everything?
It's a machine that humans need to learn how to operate. So no different than the education system that taught us to operate machines in a factory. We need to learn how to operate these machines that are AI. And that's what we have to focus on. How do we operate these to make them work for us? Because frankly, they will be replacing a lot of tedious work that people hated. You know, swivel chair, let me clip from here into here and copy paste this, and every day I do the same. And it will really free people up, if they want to expand their roles into other things. So I think it's a very fertile field for the curious.
Where would they begin to try to understand this technology?
You go try Perplexity, you go try ChatGPT, you go try Gemini. That's the exact right thing to do. So now we're at this place where civilization can really take it a little bit easier, but we have to figure that out as a humanity, as a population, as an economy. It's going to mean a lot of change. And I think what you have to do is sort of reevaluate yourself, what you enjoy out of life, use the tools to help you reimagine yourself. And if the tools aren't out there to help you today, believe me, they will be tomorrow. This is the fastest group of technology tools that have ever hit as many people on the planet in a shorter period of time. And fear is not the way to go at it. One of the things to investigate for yourself is called prompt engineering. And that's training you how to talk to the AI so that you can say, if you don't have a specific citation, don't bring one at all, you know? And you have to tell it precisely how to interact with you and what kinds of responses you want and in what format you want them. And the more clear instructions you give it, as if it were an employee, the better the outcome.
And then doesn't it free you up to do other things and pave new paths and create more interesting things for us to do? Yeah, it gives you the freedom.
You know, it does, and it is tough, though, because, you know, human behavior, and this is the fascinating part about psychology, human behavior, in a lot of cases, people get into this routine of what they do every day, and it's really hard to get them to change it. And I think that's going to be the hardest part, is to get people over the fear and get them out of their routine and get them exploring and curious and positive about having new minions, you know, digital minions to run around and do their things. And the faster they start down that path, you know, the better they're going to be. And I think it's going to be very, very positive. I mean, if you think about it.
All right. Thank you so much for the time today. We appreciate the insight.
Thanks, Grace.
It's my pleasure.